Welcome to IT Behind Mask.
So, in this video, we are going to unbox a wireless microphone. This microphone device can be used for iOS. This is best for interview, vlog, and live show. And this was made by Leereel company. So now we are going to unbox it and see what's inside. The first thing that we have is the user menu. And in this user menu, you have several languages that you can use this menu in. Okay, so this is the microphone. You also can charge this microphone with the Type-C data cable. Here is this button to make it turn off and turn on. There's a 3 mode that you can use on. And this is the wireless connector that you can use this microphone to connect with your phone. And you can connect your iOS data cable here. What we have more inside is here. Okay, so in this box we have the data cable of the Type-C to charge this microphone. That's all what you have. Now I'm gonna show you this. This is the headphones that you can plug into the device and can listen the live what you are recording. As you might see that when you connect this to this microphone, now you can hear your live audio. But you cannot plug the Type-C to this device. And now you can hear your voice in a live mode, what you're recording on your microphone. When this light is blinking 3 times, which means that you're changing the mood. This is the data cable that you can use in, and you need an iPhone data cable to plug in. That's all what you have. Thank you.